Probably gonna get demonetized, but whatever. Makes sense. Back now. Finally got this stupid package. The nuts here, they thread on. Got the new gaskets. Here's the old gasket. So what's up? I'm gonna have to do a voiceover because my father was playing some music on the radio when he was working outside, and you know how YouTube gets with the whole copyright thing, and I ain't trying to get my video with a flag or copyright strike on it. And I'm not getting paid for these videos, but hopefully in the future, if my channel blows up, I don't want to give anybody a reason. Anyway, I was just going over the old gaskets. I took them off. As you can see, the old gaskets on the left and the new gaskets in the packaging right there. So I'm just looking at the two, getting ready to put them in there, talking about the fact that I have only 4 nuts where I should have 6, and I should have bought the second pack. I was being cheap. But I ended up going to AutoZone later on in the day to get it, so I can just button that up, because I wanted to get everything done underneath the car so I can take it off the brakes, which is the end goal of this video, so I can get ready to test drive it and try to move it on its own power. I'm just discussing what I'm going to do and how I'm going to do it. You know how I do. So I'm getting ready to go under the car. So in the next time lapse you're going to see me under the car trying to align the exhaust to connect to the exhaust manifold. See, I'm under the car trying to get this whole exhaust situated onto the exhaust manifold. It was a nightmare of a job because the gaskets kept falling off every time I get it into position, falling onto my chest, falling onto the cardboard, falling onto the dirt. It was just an annoying process. I was able to get it done. I got some electrical tape and kind of barely got it to stick onto the exhaust manifold so I can at least hold it in place until I forced it in there. Everything was good. I bolted up everything, put 2 nuts on each exhaust manifold location until I went to AutoZone later on in the day to cop the nuts because I needed more to finish it. Everything was good. I was able to put everything back on the hangers. One of the hangers broke off the actual exhaust, so I can't use that one, but when I shook the exhaust, everything was nice and firm and solid, so that's a good thing. Also, please stay to the end of this video. There's a very nice surprise at the end of this video. I repeat, please stay to the end of the video. You won't regret it. Also, while you're at it, give this video a thumbs up, click subscribe, help a brother out, man. If you like what I'm doing, you like the content, hit that like button. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you. So, took forever. I'm doing this by myself. I should have been cheap. I should have bought 2 cases of the nuts because now I'm missing one of each side. So I was gonna see if I could look in the trunk and see if I could find it. I know I took them off and I put it in the car. I just can't find them right now. Don't mind the music. My dad is doing some work outside, so that's it. Well, as you can see, it was there. One of the other hardest parts, like those gaskets kept falling down, so every time I would get it aligned, it kept dropping. So I'm gonna go see if I can find 2 more nuts that will fit that thread pitch. Then I'm just going to bolt it down, and then I'm going to go to the rest of the car in the back there and secure the rubber mounts for each part of the exhaust. And then after that, I'm going to jack the car up, remove these bricks, and hopefully I will try to drive it today if I have enough time. Quick run, I'm back. A lot of traffic because they're boarding up everything because of the riots or whatever you want to say. Crazy. And people driving like idiots. So anyway, I'm heading back in there. I'm gonna put some gas in it, take the car off the brakes, and then I'm probably gonna call it. I was gonna try to drive it today, but I don't think that's gonna happen because I want to try to get home at a decent time, and I don't want to be here too late and past curfew. So anyway. As you can see, the car is off the bricks, and it's no longer in the spot that it was. So that's a good sign. I'm just glad, man. This car looks so good, man. This angle looks so good of this car, bro. It looks so fire. I gotta get it. Another bulb for the tail light. I just hope it's not an electric car. This thing probably a bad bulb or something like that. But I'm hyped, man. I'm hyped. And just keep in mind, this is the first time in a long time that I've driven a car with a manual transmission. So, still getting some used to it. Also, I don't have any power steering. I forgot to put the power steering fluid in after I drained it. So that's another thing. But as you can see, the car is moving on its own power. I'm so happy about that. The reverse lights are coming on. That's even doper. So I'm just really hyped, man. I will let you guys hear it, but my dad got the music playing in the background. My mom and my dad was talking, but the car sounds good too. So the next time I go there, I'm gonna start it off for you guys, try to get a rolling shot of me rolling in it. The front seat is still broken and it's kind of too far forward, so it's kind of hard for me to engage the clutch properly, but it is what it is. This is a big step, and I'm glad. I told y'all. One hell of a surprise, right? Thank you for watching.